Hello students, in today's session we'll be solving questions from the CAT 2018 question paper. We'll be solving questions from the Slot-2, which is afternoon session, and these questions which we are taking up today will be basically from the quantitative aptitude portion of the paper. So let us start off with the question. So in this question, as you can see, this is basically a question on arithmetic mean of positive numbers. So very interesting topic, so let's try to solve it. So here we have been given that a1, a2 up till a52 are positive integers, and there is a criteria placed on this positive integers. The criteria is that a1 is less than a2, a2 will be less than a3, and so on and so forth, and finally a52 is the greatest number. Now it has been given. So how many numbers we have to in total? A1 to a52 we have 52 numbers. So when we take the arithmetic mean of these 52 numbers, then that arithmetic mean will be 1 less than the arithmetic mean if we exclude a1 and take the arithmetic mean of the rest of the numbers, which goes from a2, a3 up till a52. So as you can see here, there would be 51 terms, and initially there was 52 terms. Okay, so this is the criteria. Now if a52 is equal to 100, then the largest possible value of a1 we are supposed to find out. So without wasting any further time, let us get into the question. So what has been said over here is that if we take the arithmetic mean of the numbers, so this will be a1 plus a2 up till a52. So there's the arithmetic mean by 52. This is the arithmetic mean of this 52 numbers. This arithmetic mean is 1 less than the arithmetic mean of a2 plus a3 up till a52, and there are 51 terms over here, minus 1. Then this is the structure. Okay, and in this case we need to find out the largest possible value of a1. So for if a1 has the largest possible value, then this portion is maximized, and if this portion is to be maximum, then this entire portion has to be maximum. Now it has been said that a52 is the highest number, and the other numbers a2, a3 are all smaller than the adjacent number. So a2 will be the smallest, a1 is the smallest, and a2, a3, a2, and so on and so forth. And also there is another point to be considered, is that they are all positive integers. So if a1 has to be maximum, basically this entire number has to be maximum, and if this entire number has to be maximum, this part which is a2 plus a3 up till a52, this has to be maximum. And this can only be maximum if we consider an arithmetic progression with common difference equal to 1. If common difference is equal to 1, then we can get a maximum value of this structure. Okay, now we have been given, so basically this means that a2, a3 up till a52 are in AP, which has a common difference of 1. Okay, now an interesting fact is that we have been already given the value of a52. Now a52 we can write it in terms of a2, since there are 51 terms, so this a52 will be basically a2 plus 51 minus 1 into the common difference. So this will be 51 minus 1, which is 50, into the common difference, which is 1, and a52, as we all know, this is equal to 100. So that implies that a2 will be equal to 50. Okay, so if a2 is 50, then this entire structure a2 plus a3 plus a4, this is nothing but we can write it down as number of terms divided by 2 into a2 plus a52. So a2 is 50 plus a52, which is 100. So 51 by 2 into 100 plus 50 plus 100, which is 150, and we have another 51 from here, which is coming over here, and minus 1. So this will be equal to 75 minus 1, which is equal to 74. Okay, and we have also found this entire structure will now be equal to, we have already seen that this is equal to, if we take this portion excluding the 51%, so 51 by 2 into 150, so this will be equal to A1 plus 51 into 75. And if we take this 52 over on this side, we have already found out that this value is equal to 74. So 52 into 74, and finally we get that A1 will be equal to this minus this. So this will be somewhere into 2 into 8. We can find out from the ultimately, if we solve it, then we get that this entire structure is equal to 52 into 74. This is equal to 3848, and this structure is equal to 3825. So that implies that A1 is equal to 23, which is, as you can see, given in option 3. Option 3 over here is the correct option.